Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at how to define homologous chromosomes and also how different types of cell division impact on chromosome number. Diploid cells, such as those found within the human body, contain chromosomes within homologous pairs. Homologous chromosomes contain different alleles of the same genes. So on this diagram, we can see that each chromosome of the pair have the same genes at each locus, identified by the letters. However, at each locus we may find a different allele of those genes, shown by either an uppercase letter or a lowercase letter. One chromosome of each pair is passed on to a new individual from each parent via the gametes. We refer to these as the maternal and paternal chromosomes. In humans, adult cells are diploid, having 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. Diploid cells have a chromosome number of 2n, with n being the number of pairs. So in humans, n is 23, giving a total of 46 chromosomes. Sex cells, known as gametes, are haploid. This means they have only one copy of each chromosome, and therefore their chromosome number is n, which is 23 for humans. At fertilisation, the chromosome number is restored as two haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote. These gametes fuse randomly, producing different combinations of parental chromosomes, increasing genetic diversity amongst the offspring. The zygote then goes on to grow by increasing its number of cells by mitotic division. Let's compare the two types of cell division found in eukaryotes. Cell division by mitosis maintains the chromosome number, so as the zygote divides, the chromosome number of 2n remains the same. In contrast, division by meiosis halves the chromosome number. Mitosis results in daughter cells which are genetically identical to one another and also to the parent cell, whereas meiosis introduces genetic diversity, with each daughter cell being different from one another. Mitosis results in 2 daughter cells per division, whereas within meiosis there are 2 divisions, resulting in 4 daughter cells. It's important to distinguish between mitosis and meiosis in terms of their effect on the chromosome number, and not just in terms of whether they give rise to gametes, as this is not the case in all species. Some species have haploid and diploid states at different stages of development. One example is shown here. Within the adult fern, we find a diploid chromosome number of 2n. Spores are produced by meiotic division, therefore halving the chromosome number to become n. These spores then divide by mitosis, which maintains the chromosome number, producing a multicellular state consisting of haploid cells and a chromosome number of n. Finally, in fertilisation, 2 haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid cell, restoring the chromosome number. The cell goes on to divide by mitosis again, maintaining the chromosome number of 2n in the mature sporophyte. In our next video, we'll look at the events that occur within meiosis to allow for this halving of the chromosome number.